Now let's talk about a few tips and tricks for your job and skill architecture. The first trick is cut, copy, and paste. Let's say you have a few roles inside of a cluster, but you really want to move them somewhere else. So what you would do is you would select the first role, hold down your Shift key, and select the last role in this cluster. Then all of them are selected, same as you would expect it from your Finder, for example. And you can then right-click on them and see the option to copy or to cut them. In this case, we'll cut all the roles. They're selected specifically, and we can move them to a different cluster. So we select the different cluster, we right-click again, and we paste them. You can see the numbers updated, the roles were added to this cluster. Now it's quite a big cluster already, and the previous cluster is now empty. You can now delete the cluster because we don't need it anymore, and we see all the roles are moved to the real-time data and analytics cluster. The second hack is about how do you now navigate through all of these roles quickly. You can double-click on a role to open the detail panel, and instead of just always going through here and selecting each of them individually, you can just use the arrows up top. So you can just click on an arrow and you can just easily navigate through all the different roles inside of this cluster. This makes it very easy to just compare and understand and also just give it a quick review. The third hack is about navigation and really making the most out of your screen size. The whole job architecture consists out of different windows. You see, the first window is the job and skill architecture itself. If you double click on it, you open the next window, which is the detail panel where you see like the description and the skills. If you want to learn more about a skill, you can click on it again and you see a new window opening. And you can even, if you have a role that already has different versions to it, you can also compare, and then you see even more panels opening. Now, how do you navigate through all of this? If you have a trackpad, you can just swipe horizontally. If you have a mouse and you can scroll horizontally, you can click the center of your mouse wheel and basically drag the interface. Or you can click the control key and drag the mouse that way. The fourth hack is about exporting a job role. So you can just double click on it again, you open the detail panel, and you see a button appearing here that says export as PDF. If you click on it, we're generating the PDF of your job role, making it ready for export. So here in this case, it got downloaded in the background. We can see it here.